3 ways to make money on TikTok 2022. 1. Going live. Every user on TikTok has the ability to purchase coins. These can be donated to their favorite creators when they go live. These coins turn into cash. You can get creative and offer some form of prize to the top gifter, like a shoutout, a follow, or a consultation, etc. You get the picture. 2. Join the Creator Fund. This is a way to get paid every day for the content you produce on TikTok. Obviously, this depends on the performance of your videos. 3. Sponsored videos. You can partner with brands to create content for them here on TikTok and get paid for it. You can reach out yourself to popular brands, or you can join the TikTok Creator Marketplace and let them find you. Either way, you're onto a winner in my opinion. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did get some value from it, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.